When you put on the machine, it will take you to the main menu interface. Then you check if your reagent is enough and if the waste has been emptied. And this is an important step to take before carrying out your maintenance or running any tests. Then in the main menu, you click on service. After clicking service, you'll see the maintenance. Maintenance has been highlighted or it is showing blue. Then you'll see options to activate electrode, deproteinize, clean probe and clean electrode. This activation of electrode has already been done while the machine was coming up. Then for the maintenance, you are going to deproteinize, clean probe and also clean your electrodes. So the first thing we will do is to click on deproteinize electrode. After clicking on it, it's telling you to insert your electrode deproteinization reagent into flush position. This is our electrode deproteinizer reagent. And for the maintenance, for all the maintenance, we are going to be using this same electrode deproteinization reagent in the flush position. After doing that, you press confirm, then it aspirates, deproteinize, then run calibration. After running the calibration, you press the return button so that it can go back to the maintenance interface for you to do your next maintenance. Next is clean probe. Then you click on it. Since your deproteinization reagent is already in flush, you press confirm. Then it cleans the probe and runs its calibration. After the calibration, you click on return. Then you do the same for clean electrode. After running your maintenance, you click on the return button so that it can take you back to the main menu. Then you click on analysis, then you run your sample.